You're making French toast, but not any ordinary one. Nutella French Toast! Woo woo! And I love Nutella, so I can't wait to try it. It's over there. Come here. Okay, you go first. Very careful.
We start by spreading Nutella on our bread. So why do you like Nutella so much?
Because it's delicious and it tastes like chocolate. That always used to be my after school snack.
So
Nutella.
That's a good spread, Mia. I like it.
Thank you.
So Wema, you need help with the edges? Are you good?
Emma's going for.
And then you're going to cut.
Into 3 or
Press it in a little, just a little so
3.
it touches. Wema, press your bread in a little. Cut it into 3. Good job.
Slice. I am done.
Wema, don't press it in too hard.
I guess I'll just have to break it.
There you go. Good job.
We're gonna do a twist on it and add some fruits. Strawberries, my favorite. My favorite fruit. It down a little. Mine looks like you can't see it, but right here you can see a little bit.
Okay.
Cut it into 2 and then it'll just turn it out into. Okay. My mom helped us cut these so that the strawberries wouldn't be all over the place.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we're ready to make them French toast.
Let's put them in the mini oven.
In the mini oven?
Yeah.
We are going to put them on the pan. So we have here a mixture of, we have eggs,
sugar, and milk.
okay, and some vanilla.
Vanilla.
Okay. That's it, put it in now.
And now you take it out when it turns golden, just like this. Can't wait to taste it. Yes, they smell delicious, guys. And they're so golden and sweet. It's done, guys. See, so now we're going to put them in the cinnamon sugar, just like so. Toss it. Wow. And then like that. You don't want to go too overboard.
Perfect. One more, Emma. Can I see yours?
Okay, put the plate and cup in my stuff. After this one.
Take all of them. Sometimes they just break because
It's gonna be so good.
someone needs to erase my plate.